If you've been gardening as long as I have, you probably have a lot of tools. Some you use all the time, some not so much. But there are four things I reach for every season. So let's start with the one that has saved me from the most undignified moments. Number one, it's my little pickup grabber. Now, I am all for bending and stretching in the garden. It's a great exercise and it's good for all of us, but there have been times where I have been so grossed out crawling under things trying to reach something that was just beyond my grasp. So now I just reach for my little pickup grabber. I can get behind pots, I can get in between pots, I can reach places that I never could before without a lot of effort and looking like a contortionist. Number two, a project design board. But here's the secret. This is something I've never seen anywhere else. On the back, I have laid out every day of the week which store is offering a 20% discount, whether it's a senior discount, a rewards discount, a locals discount, whatever it is. Monday through Saturday, if I'm going to buy something, instead of paying full price, I know exactly where to go to buy what I'm looking for. This little trick alone has saved me so much money. And number three, the Master Gardener's Handbook. Here's why I think it's more important than anything I've told you so far. When you buy a plant at the nursery and it says part shade, that same tag is saying part shade to gardeners whether you live in Florida or Alaska. This Master Gardener's Handbook you can find on Amazon for the state you live in. And the advice is not folklore. It's not things that our grandmothers swore by. It's research-based science, and it addresses almost every problem you can possibly imagine in your garden. In your garden, not mine. In your state, not mine. In your zone, not mine. It is so worth the money. I'll leave a link. Number four, a clear matte spray paint or spray. It took me so long to realize that I needed to protect the accessories that I buy because once I hung them up, I just kind of forgot about them. And yes, over the years they started looking a little faded and a little sun bleached and a little shop worn. But because I liked them so much, I decided to look for a way to preserve them. I don't care that they don't look brand new from the very beginning. That would not be realistic. But by something as simple as putting 3 coats of a good UV spray, a protectant spray, my garden accessories, particularly my baskets, stay good looking year after year. One little caveat, this protects more from sun than it does rain. This is not a way to waterproof. I do still take my baskets down and put them away in the shed for the winter. I hope these 4 tools will save you a lot of money and maybe a little grief. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.